Imagine a radar that can track rockets, drones, and aircraft simultaneously, calculate their trajectory in seconds, and guide missiles with pinpoint precision. This is Israel's ELVM 2084 MMR, the brain behind Iron Dome and other advanced air defense systems. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the ELM 2084 MMR, Israel's cutting-edge multi-mission 3D mobile AESA radar. Unlike traditional fixed radars, this system is fully mobile, designed to deploy anywhere, from deserts to urban zones in minutes. Its 3D detection capabilities allow it to measure altitude, range, and direction simultaneously, giving it unmatched precision in tracking threats. The radar is capable of detecting rockets, drones, and aircraft in real time, making it the backbone of Israel's layered defense systems, including Iron Dome, David's Sling, and other missile defense networks. The ELVM 2084 is not just a detection system, it's an intelligence hub that provides actionable data for commanders. Over the next sections, we will explore its AESA technology, mobility, multi-mission capabilities, integration with missile defense, and strategic importance. By the end of this video, you'll understand how this radar allows Israel to respond instantly to aerial threats, turning seconds into life-saving decisions. Its advanced design, adaptability, and speed make it a game changer in modern defense. The ELM 2084 is powered by active electronically scanned array, or AESA technology. Unlike traditional mechanically rotating radars, AESA allows the radar beam to be steered electronically in milliseconds, enabling it to scan multiple directions almost simultaneously. Each module of the array functions independently, allowing dozens of targets to be tracked at once with extreme accuracy. This capability is crucial when intercepting rockets, drones, or missiles, where every second counts. AESA also provides resilience against electronic warfare, meaning adversaries cannot easily jam or disrupt the radar's signals. Because there are fewer moving parts, AESA radars are more reliable and require less maintenance, ensuring continuous operational readiness. In combination with advanced signal processing algorithms, ELM 2084 can differentiate between real threats and false alarms, filtering out clutter like birds, civilian drones, or weather effects. This high-speed detection and tracking capability ensures precision guidance for interceptor missiles like Iron Dome, making the radar a key force multiplier in Israel's defense. Its technological sophistication allows operators to make critical decisions faster than ever before, highlighting why AESA is central to modern missile defense. One of the most impressive features of the ELM 2084 is its mobility. Mounted on trucks or trailers, it can be deployed rapidly across the battlefield or strategic locations. This flexibility allows Israel to adjust its defenses depending on changing threat patterns or emerging conflicts. Unlike stationary radars, mobile deployment ensures continuous coverage, even in areas under threat or regions that require temporary protection. The rugged design allows the radar to operate in extreme environments, including deserts, mountains, and urban areas, while maintaining full operational efficiency. Setup is quick, often taking only a few minutes, enabling rapid response to aerial threats. The radar's mobility is not only about positioning, it also adds survivability. In case of counterattacks, the system can be relocated, reducing vulnerability. By combining mobility with advanced AESA technology, ELVM 2084 ensures that Israel maintains real-time situational awareness and effective missile interception capabilities anywhere. This tactical flexibility, along with rapid deployment, makes it one of the most versatile and reliable radars in the world. It demonstrates how mobility is as crucial as detection in modern air defense strategies. ELM 2084 is a true multi-mission radar. Beyond tracking rockets and missiles, it can detect aircraft, drones, and other aerial objects simultaneously. This allows defense operators to monitor an entire airspace in real time, and respond to multiple threats concurrently. Advanced algorithms help the system filter out false alarms, ensuring that only high-priority targets are addressed. Its multifunctionality reduces the need for multiple radar systems, streamlining operations and improving efficiency on the battlefield. Whether deployed in tactical scenarios or for strategic national defense, ELBM 2084 provides commanders with a comprehensive picture of aerial activity. The radar's ability to handle short-range, medium-range, and long-range threats simultaneously gives Israel a technological advantage over adversaries. It can detect swarms of drones or multiple incoming rockets while coordinating missile defenses efficiently. This multi-mission functionality makes ELM 2084 more than a radar. It's an integrated defense intelligence platform. It exemplifies how modern air defense systems rely on flexibility, precision, and real-time data to protect civilian populations and military assets. The ELM 2084 works seamlessly with Israel's Iron Dome missile defense system. Seconds after detecting an incoming rocket, it calculates the trajectory and feeds the data to interceptor missiles. Iron Dome can then launch mid-air interceptors to neutralize threats with remarkable accuracy. This coordination allows Israel to achieve high success rates, even during intense rocket barrages. The radar ensures interceptors are directed only at projectiles threatening populated areas, conserving resources and maximizing efficiency. Beyond Iron Dome, ELBM 2084 integrates with David's Sling and other air defense layers, coordinating defense against threats at medium and long ranges. Its role is critical. Without the radar's real-time data, interceptors would lack the precision needed for successful engagement. By providing continuous tracking and guidance, ELM 2084 transforms missile defense from reactive to proactive, giving operators time to make informed decisions. Its integration highlights the importance of radar in layered defense systems, proving that the intelligence behind the missiles is as vital as the weapons themselves. Phased array technology in the ELM 2084 allows near instantaneous electronic beam steering. Each transmit-receive module operates independently, enabling the radar to switch focus between multiple targets within milliseconds. Unlike traditional rotating radars, this eliminates mechanical delays and reduces wear on moving parts, increasing reliability. During mass attacks, phased array capability ensures that every projectile is tracked accurately, maintaining continuous coverage even under stress. The radar's electronic steering also improves performance in environments with high electronic interference. By adjusting beams dynamically, ELM 2084 can detect small, fast-moving threats that would be missed by conventional systems. This feature, combined with advanced algorithms, ensures real-time decision-making and precise guidance for interceptors. The phased array design reinforces the radar's resilience and speed, making it an indispensable component of modern multi-layered defense networks. Its ability to track, analyze, and relay data instantly is what allows Iron Dome and other systems to function at their peak efficiency. ELM 2084 is designed to perform exceptionally in dense or complex environments. Urban areas, mountainous terrain, and coastal regions often create radar clutter that makes distinguishing real threats challenging. The radar uses advanced filtering algorithms to separate genuine threats from birds, civilian drones, or weather anomalies. This precision reduces false alarms, ensuring interceptors are used only when necessary. It also allows the radar to detect low-flying or small threats, such as miniature drones, which can be difficult for conventional radars to identify. In modern conflicts, the ability to operate in cluttered environments is critical for maintaining situational awareness and responding effectively. By providing accurate tracking data even in challenging conditions, ELM 2084 ensures defense operators maintain full control over the airspace. This adaptability demonstrates how advanced radar technology enhances operational efficiency and safety in both civilian and military contexts. ELMM 2084 doesn't operate in isolation. It's fully integrated into Israel's multi-layered missile defense network. Real-time data from the radar feeds into Iron Dome, David's Sling, and other interceptor systems, allowing coordinated responses across regions. Command centers receive continuous updates, enabling strategic allocation of interceptors and prioritization of threats. This layered approach ensures coverage for short-range, medium-range, and long-range threats simultaneously. ELMM 2084 serves as the central hub for this network, providing both tactical and strategic intelligence. Its integration increases operational efficiency, reduces response time, and ensures comprehensive protection against complex aerial attacks. By linking multiple systems through real-time radar intelligence, Israel creates a cohesive defense network that can adapt to evolving threats instantly. This highlights the radar's central role as both a sensor and a command facilitator within modern air defense architecture. Beyond missile defense, ELMM 2084 contributes to battlefield intelligence and situational awareness. Continuous monitoring of airspace provides operators with actionable data for tactical planning and threat assessment. Future upgrades include AI and machine learning integration to enhance target recognition, predict trajectories, and optimize interception strategies. This ensures the radar remains effective against emerging threats, from swarms of drones to advanced hypersonic missiles. By combining mobility, multi-mission capability, and real-time data, ELMM 2084 becomes a force multiplier, increasing Israel's operational effectiveness. It allows commanders to plan offensives or reposition defenses while maintaining constant awareness of aerial threats. This dual capability, defense and intelligence, demonstrates the radar's vital role in modern warfare, where accurate information is as critical as firepower. In conclusion, the ELMM 2084 MMR is more than a radar system. It's the brain behind Israel's missile defense network. Its combination of mobility, AESA technology, multi-mission versatility, and integration with layered defense systems makes it indispensable for national security. It tracks rockets, drones, and aircraft with unmatched precision, guides interceptors like Iron Dome, and provides commanders with actionable intelligence in real time. By operating in complex environments, resisting electronic interference, and maintaining rapid deployment capability, ELMM 2084 exemplifies modern radar excellence. This system proves that in today's warfare, information and detection are as critical as weapons themselves. Israel's success in missile defense relies as much on advanced radar systems as on the interceptors they guide. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the ELMM 2084 radar, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notified about more videos uncovering the world's most advanced military technologies.